So today we are going to cover some of the indices like mid caps, small caps, Nifty, and we will also try to cover some of the sectors and also we'll cover some stocks like last time. So last time we discussed about small caps and Nifty. So it's moving in the same way which we have plotted earlier. So let's start with Nifty first. So this is the chart which I shared few months back, and um so if you look at the long-term chart first, it's in long trend, uptrend, and if we look closer now, this is the recent trend which we are seeing. Let's go to weekly chart. Yeah. So now we can see this is the so always try to observe the pattern in charts. So there are certain patterns which repeat after some time. So this is one of them. So if you can see, this is the box, right? Orange color box. Within that, there is a decline, uptrend, small decline, uptrend, small decline, and a bullish movement. So this is the same chart which I shared in the last session also. Uh, and so this is how it is going. So it is following this trend right now. So it is yet to complete this pattern, and after that, after reaching the highs, we may see some correction. So so idea behind sharing the indices charts is so that you can know when to book, when to be light in your holdings, right? So once this high is done, right? So mostly by December, so we may get some reversal signs in the index, and when the RSI will be high. So right now it is near 62, which is a bullish sign. So once it reaches 75, 80, that's when we may see some correction, small correction. And once that is done, this correction should start uh, after mid. So there's no exact timeline, but mostly by end of December or January, we may see some small correction. And then once the correction ends, mostly by March mid, we can see a big bullish run similar to this or smaller than this. So we are waiting for. So currently we are in this phase. So most of the index are in this phase. So if we can check mid caps also. Wait, this is Nifty. Now going to next is small caps. So in small caps, this is the pattern. Small caps and mid caps, we are seeing inverted head and shoulder pattern. So which is yet to complete. So it's in the midway. So once this RSI breakout is done, we can see some bullish uh, pattern in many of the stocks. And also, if you can see this, right, there is a breakout here, which we discussed last time also. So once this move is done, that is the breakout, we can see many of these stocks giving breakouts and moving up. So then we will see some correction or retest of this pattern, and then again a move. So this is again, this pattern is similar to what we discussed just now. I mean, there will be a breakout and retest and then up move. So here also, what I'm expecting is this current phase should end after the breakout, and then there will be a retest and then up move, something like this. So this is about small caps. So currently, like what we discussed last time in small caps, I was waiting for this breakout, and the smaller stocks have started to participate. Not all, but only the good setups or sector-wise movement is seen. So we have to focus on those first. And once this this big breakout is done, that is this one. When this breakout is done, okay, not this. Wait, this orange one. Yeah, okay. So this is inverted head and shoulder pattern, right? So once this breakout is done, that is above 19,000. That's when we can see very big move here, and then there might be a correction till March and then up move. This is about small caps. Now moving to mid caps. Okay, so again in mid caps also we are seeing inverted head and shoulder pattern. So this was the trend, uptrend, then downtrend started, and then this pattern was formed, and above. So currently it is still yet to break out of this, right? So once it is above 13,500, we can see some movement till again, just like Nifty and small caps, here also we are seeing same thing. That is this phase, this bullish phase, and so after this we might see some correction and then up move. So in all the indices we are seeing the same pattern. That is currently we are in a bullish phase. So once this bullish phase ends, right? So that's when we can see some correction, and this correction might be a little bit deep. Deep in the sense like it may go on for some few weeks. So so what to do in this case, right? So for now, uh, most of the stocks, not most, but majority of the stocks you will see going up in this phase, and so utilize this phase. So make sure that you are holding the right stocks from the right sector, and once you are getting some profit, book timely profit. Don't hold for midterm for now, at least. Uh, if you're buying any midterm stocks and you are getting like 10 to 15% or 20% in a short term, try to book those and come out of that and keep some cash handy. Take out the profit always. So don't reinvest the profit in equity stocks. So you can move it to FD for now. Try to so this is very important because most of the profit will be uh, uh, vanish. So in that case, what we have to do is take out the profit and invest in some other things like FD, um, or in keep in bank account itself, and so uh, whatever gains you are getting right in short term, try to book out of that, so that you don't uh, sit in a lot of cash in this time. So that you have to keep in mind. And so once this correction ends, that's when you will have some cash ready, so that you can invest at the right time and you can utilize the next bull phase. So try to do that. And next is there are some sectors which I am tracking. Okay, so this is one of the sectors which I've been discussing on the Telegram. So if you can see the long-term chart, so whenever you see a long base breakout, right? So that's when you have to hold the stock or index, whatever, for midterm. So suppose this is a stock and you are seeing such big base breakout, then in that case, don't book early. You have to keep holding for midterm. If you go to short, shorter time frame. So this is the pattern I shared. This is the accumulation phase, and after the breakout, we are seeing the uptrend. This is the shakeout, and then up move. So right now, what is happening is if you remove all this and go to weekly chart. So this is one of those sectors which is leading the bull phase. So if you draw the chart here, draw the trend line. Uh, so there is a breakout, right? Breakout, consolidation, and slowly it's moving up, right? So this is going like this. So there is a breakout in this. So unlike other indices where we are still waiting for the proper breakout, metals have given a nice breakout. So you can focus on metal stocks for coming weeks. Then, okay, let's discuss some stocks. Uh, yeah, regarding other sectors, I will check those and I'll share on the Telegram. For now, let's discuss some of the stocks, recent stocks which we discussed on Telegram. So this is Aegis Wopac. So currently it is yet to break out. So as I mentioned, above 292, you have to enter this. If you're entering before that, you have to add only a few quantity and wait for the breakout for adding the rest quantity. Then coming to uh, Ramco system. So here on monthly chart, so there are uh, this is the resistance, right? So it tried to move above this multiple times, but it could not. So in this instance, it's about to break out. So since it's a monthly chart, so we have to wait for monthly breakout. So we still have 3 to 4 days left for this, and once that is done, once this candle is above this blue line, that means the breakout is confirmed on monthly basis. So once that is done, I'm expecting a big bull run in this. So um, if this is done, you can keep trailing and hold for midterm. So also one more thing, there is a RSI breakout, right? So when you see a monthly on a monthly candle, monthly chart, when you see such a big breakout, that means it's a good stock to hold for midterm. Also, the RSI is giving a good bullish signal. So yeah, this is one good stock to look for. Then we have also discussed Rama Phosphate today. So this was the stock which I shared on Premium Group. So this was shared earlier also near this breakout somewhere. I think somewhere here. It already got doubled. It was shared in May or some. During that time it was shared. So it already got doubled since then almost. And again I shared it near 177. So the reason was it was about to give a big base breakout, and you can see there is a pattern that is cup and handle, right? So this breakout is done with a big volume also. If you check the volume, it's a very big uh, back-to-back volumes, right? Candles. So it's a very good breakout. So such stocks mostly give very good run. This is the same pattern which we have seen in case of uh, Apollo Micro. So again, there was a big base breakout, and from what was the price? There was some split, I guess, in this. So after the split, it was shared around 145 something, and after split, it comes to sorry, it was here. Okay, sorry, it was at 145 I shared, then it went to 350 something. So yeah, such breakout give very good move in midterm. Okay, so Premier Energies here also finally we are seeing some good breakout. So I've been sharing this stock during this phase. Finally, it has given this breakout and results. I think it is tomorrow or within few days. So keep an watch. Uh, okay, and all right. This is about the stocks and indices. So anybody has any questions regarding anything, they can speak. Tarachand, what's your buying price? Okay, so this is the big like there's a IPO setup and IPO breakout, cup and handle, and uptrend. Then there was okay uptrend continuation here. So it has to cross 97 for further up move.